Yeah, good morning, Jitendra Kumar. Can you hear me?
Very good, sir. This is Rajkumar.
Sorry, yeah, Rajkumar Jaiswal.
Yes, sir. Very good morning, sir.
So you are looking younger, very younger.
Yes, sir. Because I did saving yesterday. That's why I'm looking nearly 27. My camera is recognizing as a 27-year-old.
That's good. So you are looking handsome. And
Thank,
one more thing I want to tell you: when you enter in our Zoom meeting, you light up the environment of our Zoom class.
thank you, sir. It's me. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so shall we start now?
Yes, sure, sir.
Okay, so Rajkumar, I'm very interested to know about your childhood education. What kind of students were you when you were in a school?
Yeah, thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity to speak about myself. And during my journey of my childhood, actually, when I was childhood, I was too, this time also studious. Since childhood, I am too studious boy. And when I was in school, I was always coming first rank, and I was studying in primary school, government primary school. There I was monitor also. From third onwards, I was the class monitor, and uh, as you know, monitor means you have the very good score in each and every subject. Especially, I was very good in mathematics, and as well with study, I likes to play cricket. And
Oh,
that's all about my childhood and also.
okay, so we have one similarity and one difference. I'm quite different because I'm very bad at maths. And one
Yes.
similarity is I was also interested in playing cricket when I was in a school time.
Okay. It's nice.
So, can you remember any memorable event when you were in a high school? You got an admission in the high school.
Yeah, sure. Actually, mm, when I went to take admission, actually, high school was 8 kilometer distance from my home. Then there, when I went for admission, taking admission, their seat was full because that was the good school. Everyone rushing for taking the admission there. Then when I went there late, so I was not able to get admission. Then I requested their principals, mm, whoever the head of the departments, and I shown them to my previous certificates like I was coming always first and all, and I make them sure when I will come to your school, I will be very good and I will try to bring rank in UP state. Then they took that time one test. At instance, they took conducted one test for me especially, and in that test I passed, and they took admission in that school. And after that, ninth and 10th class, I topped that ninth class, as well as I was topped in 10th class also. Always I was first and second rank during my high school, and as I am belongs from the poor family, poor in the sense middle, lower than middle class family, and I am remember very nicely. That time we don't have sufficient money to get admission in high school. Then my mother, which she is late, she sold her what to say, anklet, what to say, pile, anklet. Means she sold one gold type of thing for making me to go to schools, high schools. That memory is printed on my brain, and that time onwards I was doing too much hard working, even though I am from the very rural background, but I did very work hard, and
Hmm.
I took admission in the engineering. That too on my basis only because I have PCF 88.9%, and that is on that basis. UP government given me free education means I was not paying single money, all money paying by the AICT,
Oh,
and
that's
that
wonderful,
way I had
wonderful.
the very
Okay.
good journey.
So you got
Yes,
one
sir.
type of
Thank you so much.
scholarship.
Yes, sir. I got a scholarship, financial recurring scholarship from AICT during my engineering days. I, I should not pay single money. All
Okay.
the
So
money, all the
because
fee
of
paid by the
because you
AICT.
were intelligent child, because you were intelligent student, so you got admission in a high school also. Then you also got the
Yes,
hostel
in
scholarship.
engineering as well.
Hmm. So very early
After
age,
the
you understood that if you are not clever, then you cannot survive yourself. So you have to be more
yes, sir.
clever.
Because
You have to be
I
clever
was
enough.
too. Yes, sir. Because I my financial position was not good. As you know, I'm belonging from the lower middle class family.
Okay.
It's very difficult to teach the children if you have two or three children. I was the youngest one, so that I got some opportunity to get admission in schools, colleges, and so on. And after that, also taking admission in BTech. As you know, I'm from village, and but one thing is there. My father had studied up to 10th class, but one positive thing was there. He always motivate me. Okay, Rajkumar, he always tell me, you learn this vocabulary, you learn this thing. Then since childhood, I was learning vocab because I was thinking that time itself in during 5 and 6 class itself, okay, if I'm going to the West Bengal, if I'm going to the other state, and if I know only Hindi, then how would I survive? That's why since childhood, from 6, 7 class onwards, only I started learning vocabulary. And when I was in 5th class, I have completed the 10th class dictionary. One pocket dictionary was coming that time.
Wonderful,
And
wonderful, wonderful.
behind that one, my father is always giving me motivation, and as well as I surrounding me, whoever neighbors, they were preparing for the MBBS, IS, and all. Then I was getting inspired from them also, and day by day, I was trying to improve myself and means bringing myself on the best position. That's about the high school years only.
Okay, so you have a nice journey of your education. So since your childhood, since your primary school, you were a clever child. That's why you could survive yourself. And now, okay, you have also passed your net examination.
Yes, sir. I have completed my UGC NET examination as well as I have qualified the GATE examination. That is coming after the BTech exam. After that, I took admission in MTech, and after completion of the PG only, I qualified the NET exam. That is the NET exam. Actually, after PG, we can attempt.
So can you tell
Yes, sir.
me
I
your
have
journey?
qualified.
Why did you decide to pass net examination? Was what was it was your dream? Then how did you start preparing for that? I think whatever I heard, it's a very tough examination to clear, but you have cracked it.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for talking about NET exam. Actually, this is one type of phobia by the coaching centers. Actually, I haven't attended any coachings. I haven't did any mock also. I did myself practice, and it's not a tough exam. According to me, NET exam is not a tough exam because I have attempted, and in first attempt itself, I got clear. And if you are doing the practice regular, if you are doing the practice regular, and you have the proper material, then definitely you are going to crack that exam. And why need to I complete this NET exam? Because if we are going approaching for the PhD, as well as in future, if I'm going to apply for the assistant professor job in government engineering colleges like IITs, NITs, or some others, then their NET exam gives you the eligibility to become a professor. Means it will show you are the eligible to become a professor. That's why I qualified that exam. Even though I'm from the engineering background, and GATE exam is the sufficient to become GATE exam plus PhD sufficient to become a professor. But I want to keep one mm, school so that I don't become like I can't say, like you as you told net exam is a very tough exam. One type of phobia is there in the environment. So that I want to just crack and I want to show myself, oh, okay, this exam also I can crack. There is no big deal. And first of all, I want to tell that there is not a very tough exam. If you are practicing regular and if you are dedicated 3 months, definitely you are going to crack this exam easily. And one more benefit of this exam is after cracking this exam, you are eligible to get a stipend. And nowadays, government paying 31,000, and plus if you are married, then they will pay 25% of your 31,000. It's nearly you are going to get a stipend after marriage 35,000, 39,000. Otherwise, without marriage, you will get 31,000 stipend. Then it is better than doing one job. Means you can do the research uh, after means qualifying this net exam. That's the benefit for all those things.
So how did
Thank
you
you, sir.
get this job? Okay, you are basically from West Bengal and you moved from West Bengal to Hyderabad, sorry, Andhra Pradesh, Vijayawada.
No, sir. Actually, in 2013, I have qualified GATE exam, and after that, I got Pondicherry Central University for doing my MTech exam. There, I worked 2 years, and after that, actually, faculty plus one site is there where we can find different types of assistant professor jobs notification. Through that site only, I have approaches the engineering colleges because there they will give their mail ID and everything, and we have to send resume on their mail. Then after completing my MTech there, I just approaches through mail. I got selected. I got shortlisted in my in their notification for the interview, and I called by them for interview. I attempted the interview and I got selected there, and that is the procedure for getting the that way I was doing job in South India. And especially actually I was from Hindi medium. Then since childhood I want to improve my English so that I was realizing myself, okay, in future it's a globalization time. If I, and English is the common platform to talk anywhere. For example, nowadays I am the native Hindi speaker, but nowadays staying in South India, and if I don't have English, then it's very problem to stay there. Even though their faculty used to speak Telugu and all they used to speak, but if you know the English, as an engineering college, a medical college, you are going to survive anyhow. That's why day by day I works on my English conversation, and so that I can do best any part of the world. Yeah, this is the journey about the how I am in South India.
Really, you have gone through a nice. Actually, you have faced so many things in your life, and you have
Yes,
survived yourself because of your intelligence.
yes,
Easily you cracked the examination of NET also, and you got the job as as an assistant lecturer. So that's your achievement. That's
that's
your
a not
success.
lecturer. Actually, that's an assistant professor. Actually, after MTech, you we become assistant professor.
Okay, so that's good. That's good. Wonderful achievement.
Yeah, yeah,
So how did you
yeah. Thank you,
celebrate
sir.
that achievement?
Celebrating achievement in the sense at what time during my getting first job or nowadays how I'm doing all those things.
Yes or no? When you
Actually,
got first job, then how did you celebrate? When you got the news about your
yeah,
job?
yeah. Actually, when I got the mail, I got mail as well as after some time they have called me at the same day. Then I told them my first of all I told to my father because you know after getting the job, first thing you feel whoever your parents you have to tell them so that if they become happy you will be more happy. Then first of all I told to my father. After that my I told to my friends and all, and they, after knowing them, they were started insisting me that they need party and all. And that same day we did party. We went to restaurant and we did the party and all. This way, and in morning itself, after listening all those things, I went to temple. This way, I have celebrated my first achievement.
Actually, you deserve to celebrate these all things because you faced so many things to achieve that. You worked very hard. Okay, so
Yes, sir. Because
Rajkumar,
I would like to say one thing. Actually, I would like to one say, um, with practical, I'm saying. Actually, I am very rural background. We have studied very. I was going 8 kilometer with the bicycle. Daily, I was 16 kilometer. I was going with bicycles and all. Then I'm definitely saying, if you are doing the work hard with dedication, then everything going to come on our way, whatever we want. But without dedication, without hard work, we are not going to achieve anything. Because if you are doing the work hard, whoever in front of you, wherever you are going to give interview, easily they are going to check you. Who are you? That's from my side, sir.
okay, so Rajkumar, I'm very happy to see a wonderful person who has
Yeah,
achieved
thank you,
something
sir.
at a very early age in his life, and I can say he's a very successful person, and he can be the
Thank you, sir.
proud of
And I
his family
always,
for his
yes, sir.
parents. He can be the proud.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Actually, my father always nowadays he feeling proud because in my I am the youngest one. My two brothers they haven't studied, and my father never told me. He insisted me to study and all. My mother also, she is the village woman. She was illiterate. That's why my father feel okay. Now we are in good position. All
Okay,
those
so
things.
Rajkumar, you have very short time now for your conversation. So now this is your turn. If you want to ask me something, then you can ask me now.
Actually, sir. I would actually after seeing your lots of video, I feel myself okay. I also had some problem with the Hindi medium, and I just started get motivated and I started from you. Means your video, your journey is also somewhat same because you haven't get the job. After that, you started learning and all. Sir, I just want to ask you whenever I am taking the class in engineering colleges, whenever I speaking them or taking the class, I was very fluent and my sentence is coming very nicely. But for example, I am going to talk one by one and slowly. That time I realize myself I'm not able to make a sentence properly. But when I'm taking the flow, for example, now also when I'm speaking very fast, it will come very good sentence, it will come very good grammar. But while I'm speaking one to one conversation, and that way I feel myself sometimes कि I'm not making good sentence, I'm not that on this thing. I just want suggestions.
So it is nothing. It's a one type of fear. If you think that actually fear of making mistake while speaking, if I make mistake, then what other person say? So that is going
Okay.
in your mind. That's why you are not able to speak personally with any person.
Personally, yeah, personally I talks, but that time I fear, oh, might be I'm making some mistakes or what.
Yeah,
That
that's
time
why.
I,
So
but
fear is
whenever I
there.
go to this semester, always I go in South India when I'm teaching since 4 years. Always I take the final year classes, and final year class, engineering student final year class, it's a tough task to take the classes. But I don't have any problem. Whenever I go there, when I will come to the fluency, I will speak very fast and I will make very good sentences. For taking classes and all, I don't have a problem. But I realize myself whenever I'm going to the podium, for example, I'm going to the podium, but that time I'm not able to make good sentences regarding that.
Yeah, yeah, I can understand now. So actually,
Uh,
Rajkumar, you need more practice.
yes, yes,
Okay, you are very good at your content. Okay, you know your
yes,
subject
yes,
very well. That's why you don't have any problem when you take the class, when you deliver your
yes, yes.
class. But when you go on the podium, when you deliver your speech, that time One is, you are not very good at public speaking. Maybe might be you are not very good at
Yes, 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 yes,
fear of
yes, yes,
public
yes.
speaking. That's why you have a problem. Okay, even some people face problem in their mother tongue also. When you invite those people on the stage to make some sentence, then they are not able to speak. So this is a fear
Yeah,
thing. By practicing, you can overcome this one, and definitely you can be a good public speaker. So really, personally, I
sir.
enjoyed a
Thank
lot,
you, sir.
Rajkumar.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Sir, we got motivated from you day by day. It's a very good thing, and definitely we will be good speaker, and definitely we are going to.
So
I
good
can
luck
tell
for
you, we
that,
are going
and
to explore all
see
them.
you at night. Now Parmeshwar is waiting for his turn.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Now
Thank you,
you
sir,
can
for
leave.
giving this
Have a
opportunity.
nice day.
Thank you
Okay.
so much, sir.
Have a
Yeah,
nice day.
thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Parmeshwar. Very good morning.
Very good morning, sir, and good morning, my dear friend Rajkumar. My
Yeah,
name is Parmeshwar Rao. I am from Andhra Pradesh, especially in Vijayanagar district, and I watched so many videos on YouTube which were uploaded by you, sir. Really, I was extremely flattered by watching them. Really, I feel very happy, sir. I got motivated from you only. And after watching those videos, I would like to speak like you only, sir, because not only
It's
me,
my
sir, so
pleasure.
many people also, yeah,
It's my
hundreds of
pleasure.
thousands of
Okay, and thank you very
young
much for
aspirants
watching my
are,
videos. Thank you very much for watching my videos.
yes, sir. And not only me, sir, you inspired a lot. It means hundreds of thousands of people are motivated by your videos and extremely like your way of teaching, sir. Extremely happy, sir. Really, it is a great honor to me to speak to you, sir. I have been waiting for this opportunity for a long time. But I think 3 or 4 days back, I joined your session, sir. I was very, uh, I got, finally I got your number also. That's why. Okay, sir. And yes, sir, absolutely. I feel very happy to talk to you, but just I don't know how to start. I feel a little bit nervous because this is the first time on a one-to-one conversation,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, don't be nervous,
And
Parmeshwar. Don't
yes,
be
sir.
nervous.
Uh,
Don't be nervous. And
yes, sir. I had yes, sir,
thank you
yes,
very
yes.
much for joining us.
Okay, sir. I heard about you. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. I heard about you that you want to give a lecture. You want to give a talk on a TEDx stage. Definitely, I hope that definitely you can achieve it. That's a great goal, sir. You have that
Thank you.
potential. You have that capability. You have that ability. One fine day, I will see you on the TEDx stage, sir. Definitely, it will be. Uh, so many other speakers also achieve that goal, sir. If something is done by someone else, it can be done by anybody else, sir. Nothing is impossible for a human being if he or she is determined to do it. Yes, sir, definitely, I pray to God that the Almighty will give you all blessings and glories throughout your lifetime, sir. And I am also interested in learning English language, sir, from my what you call from my childhood, from my elementary stage. I would like to talk in English, and I would like to improve my English. Actually, my entire education was in Telugu medium only, but because of my interest only, uh, I could get this much of. I'm not a fluent speaker, but one point definitely I will become a fluent speaker like you only, sir, because you are the inspiration to me. You are the I got too much of motivated from you, sir, after watching your videos. I extremely I would like to tell my gratitude to you, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. And
So, Parmeshwar,
okay,
this
sir.
is
Tell
my
me
journey of
something
learning.
about.
Okay. I'm not teaching, and just this is my journey of learning. I want to make myself better, and that's why I'm using this lockdown period. And my goal is to
Yes, sir.
go on TEDx. That's why I have to be better than others. And only one solution is the more
Definitely, sir. One point.
better you can do it. And it's my pleasure to talk with the different people from our country.
Definitely. Yes, sir. This actually you're providing such a nice opportunity, sir. This is very good opportunity for all the people who are aspiring to improve their English language, sir. I feel very proud to be one of the members of what you call your students, and definitely, sir, I feel very very happy. And sir, tell me something about Cambly, sir, how to interact. I would like to talk to what you call the native English speakers also, but I don't know the procedure, how to approach them and how to talk to them. What are the necessary, what are the requirements?
Okay.
Please
So
tell me about Cambly, sir.
yeah, Parameswar, it's very simple. First of all, just download one application of Cambly, and when you open Cambly
Yes, sir.
application, then there is an option of subscribe. Means there are some plans. You have to choose one plan, then go to payment method, then just pay for your subscription. Then easily you can talk with those people.
Yes, sir.
But you have to choose a plan.
Yes, sir.
They have different plans: 50 minutes plan,
Yes, sir.
30 minutes plan, 1 hour, unlimited. That means whenever
Yes.
you talk, this type of plan is also available. Then all plans for 1 month. They have also 3 months plan, 6 months
Actually,
plan,
I
year
don't.
plan. But it's quite expensive actually. That's why if you
Yes, sir.
just want to try, then you should try for one month plan.
Yes, sir. Actually, I don't have any idea about Cambly. After watching your videos, I got the idea. Recently, at the time, I also want to speak to native English speakers. Sir. Before that, I would like to speak to non-native speakers. Then only I can talk to them with confidence. Can tell me something about your daily routine, sir? How you manage all these things?
Okay, thank you very much for asking that. Nowadays, I have little bit different daily routine because lockdown is going on. That's why I have changed my routine. In typical day, I wake up around 5:30. Then first of all, I
Yes,
watch
sir.
videos of Srimad Bhagavad Gita and I listen. That's my routine for 10 minutes or 20 minutes. Okay, while I drink water and just I relax myself. Then I just get freshen up. Then I go to garden to do some exercise where I do some yoga, pranayam, asanas, sometimes Surya Namaskar. Okay.
Yes.
Then again I come back to my house. So now Parmeshwar is not here. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Network is, I think, I am in small village now. The network is also not sufficient.
So around 7:30 I come back to my house and I read the newspaper. Then I make a plan for my whole day also. What to teach in my school, what should I achieve, what should I learn new thing today. Then around now 9:15 or 9:30 I have a brunch. Then I leave my house for my school. Around 10:30 I reach my school and I start teaching there. And 5 o'clock just again I come back to my house. So that's my routine.
Yes, sir. That is very just we have to implement. So we have to adapt your methods, sir. Your daily routine, also. That's absolutely fine, sir. Yes, sir. It's after watching all these things, uh, I will remember one movie, sir, in Srimanturu. The movie name is Srimanturu in Hindi, sir, which was acted by superstar Mahesh Babu. In that movie, one famous dialogue is there, sir. It means I will try to convert the dialogue into Telugu, sorry, English language. Uh, we have taken so many things from society. That's why we have to give back to the society the same thing. Otherwise, we will become very selfish. It means you have gained this much of knowledge from society, sir. That's why you are giving back to the society. That is a really nice thing, sir. I would like to admire you once again. You have created a nice platform, sir.
So Parmeshwar, that
Thank you,
is
sir.
my goal. How can I be helpful for other? Because being an Hindu
Yes, sir.
or being or any religion you are following, actually there is one common thing.
Yes.
You should be helpful for other. You shouldn't be selfish for all time. Okay, now I have sufficient money, I'm earning well, so why should I think about earning money all the time? I should live my life
Yes,
happy
sir.
whatever I have, and the rest of time and rest of money I should use for other people.
Yes, sir. That's what I want to say. Uh, you are asking you are not asking single paisa also. That is completely free of cost, sir. The attitude, sir, is really hats up to you, sir. Really, once again, I extremely happy to your way that you are providing this type of activities. Uh, I hope that God will support you for providing this type of activities in future also.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Hmm. And sir, tell me about tell me how to improve uh, how to how to improve our spoken English, and how to get fluency, and how to get what we call pronunciations, especially pronunciation is also very
This is a
related.
simple way. You are whatever you are doing now. Start talking with people. Share your ideas, share your feelings, and don't worry about making mistakes.
Yes, sir. Unfortunately, as I am living in a small village, unfortunately, I don't have the right person to talk to them in English. That's why I try to seek that what you call school children, because in English learning is a passion, sir. That's why I always take chance to, whenever I get chance, I will talk to small children also. But in our area, uh, most of the students are not interested in what you call talking in English. That is the major problem, sir.
No problem, but you have a
That is the business.
smartphone. You have a smartphone. Record your speech and listen it again. Then find out mistakes, which things you want to improve
Yes, sir.
next time. Then again make a video, again watch it, again find out some mistakes and correct it. And day by day you can improve your pronunciations. You can improve your fluency of English also. So this is a simple way. Okay, why I make videos, why I talk with you, because I also want to improve my fluency, pronunciations, and I also want to improve my confidence. So this is the best method. Just the more you speak, the better you can do it next time. But if you don't practice, you can't do better next time. And
No,
every day
yes,
I
sir.
try to
Yes,
learn
yeah,
5 new
absolutely.
vocabulary or 7 new vocabulary. In the afternoon I learn, then in the evening I make a video by using
Yes, sir.
those, by explaining that. So I will never forget those words. For example, last time I made a videos on about liking.
Like, yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Keen on what? Yes, sir. I keen on like that.
So you
Yes,
can
sir.
also understand now. Keen on.
Yes.
Then can you remember one more word?
Uh,
Captivated.
keen on and captivated.
Then
I was
fond
really
of.
captivated by watching your videos, sir.
Yeah,
I
fond
feel
of.
fond of. I fond of
I'm
learning.
fond of speaking English. Can you
What do
say
you
or
say?
not? Now I am fond of speaking English. So this is the way. Pick out some words. Make some sentences. Don't learn
Yes, sir.
any words separately. Okay. Always pick out
Yes,
this.
sir. Yes.
Select some words. Make sentences and connect your life. Okay. Always make sentences about your life. Whenever I give
Yes,
examples, I
sir.
talk about myself. Okay. For example, captivated. So I gave an example.
Captivated.
Then I heard Oprah Winfrey's speech first time. Then I was captivated by her speech.
Yes, sir.
So that's a real life situation.
Yes.
And in the morning also, I have started making, preparing new videos, and I have also got some new words about hate. Yesterday we discussed load in our
Yes.
class, our Zoom meeting, and I show you bitter gut.
Yes, sir.
Actually, I like eating. I like eating bitter gourd, but my daughter loathes eating bitter gourd. She doesn't like to eat bitter gourd. Then I can say loathe. New word. I can say she detests eating. She detests eating bitter gourd. Very simple or not? So you will never forget that word
Yes,
in
sir.
your life, and
Yes,
easily
sir.
you can use that
Yes,
word
sir.
in future. So this is a simple thing, but it takes some time actually.
Yes, sir. Sir, if there is any availability, please provide what you call. Please provide our students. And so many students. I think daily so many students are attending that evening Zoom session. If there is any availability, please provide some of the numbers also so that we can talk regularly, sir, with our students. It will be beneficial for us, sir, to improve our spoken English. If there is any,
I'm going to continue these all things, okay? And whenever I promise someone, I always keep my promise anyhow.
yes, sir. I have had one of our students also asked the same thing. Yeah, I watched in that video. That's why I'm asking the same thing. It will be a benefit for us to improve. Because we don't have that much of students or friends in our area to talk to them. That is the reason only. And all the students who attend your session, they are aspirants to what you call improve their English. So we have to talk to them only because we can improve whatever it is, vocabulary or spoken English or concept, whatever it is. Please think of this also, sir. If there is available in future also, you can provide those numbers also. And
So Parmeshwar, we have very limited time now, and I want to ask you something to check your fluency. Which
yes, sir.
festivals are very famous in your region, in your area, or in your state?
In our state is yeah, in our state so many it means it is different from area to area. So in Andhra Pradesh, three regions are there. One is coastal Andhra, one is Rayalaseema, like that, sir. But in our state, we bifurcated Telangana in 5 years back. Actually, Telangana is also one of the part of Andhra Pradesh. So recently, five years back, we bifurcated from Telangana. Now we are separate to Andhra Pradesh. Yes, major festival is Sankrant. Makara Sankrant is the festival, major festival here in Andhra Pradesh. Apart from Makar Sankranti, we celebrate Ganesh Puja also very well, sir. Ganesh Puja and Diwali and Durga Puja also. But main festival is Makar Sankranti, sir. Makar Sankranti is our
Which
festival.
is your favorite festival?
Yes, sir.
Which
We celebrate all the festivals, but we celebrate all the festivals which are celebrated in our India. But we celebrate Makar Sankranti famously. Yes, that is the main festival.
So what do you do on that day? How do you celebrate Makar Sankranti? Okay, in my region, in my state, in Gujarat, we fly kites on that day for 2 days. Just we spend our 2 days on terraces only. And we fly kites. We have
Yes,
some
Makar Sankranti is
on Makar Sankranti, okay, 14th
yes, sir.
January.
Yes, Makar Sankranti is not a single day, sir. It is 3 days celebration. One is called Lodi, is called in Telugu Bogi, sir, Bogi, and second day that is Makar Sankranti, and third day is called as Kanma. Yes, sir. And on Bogi we will collect some sticks, wooden stick, and we will claim them, sir, in that what we call in the festival. And Makar Sankranti, on the Makar Sankranti day, I think regularly every year it falls on 14th of January, I think. 14th or 15th, like that. On Makar Sankranti day, we remember all our what we call forefathers who are expired, like that. We pray puja for them, and we celebrate like this. Sir. And on Kanuma is it is nothing but what we call enjoying this. Enjoying it means we will have what we call nice food. We prepare delicious dishes on that day, and we meet our relatives and friends, and we play some games like that. Sir. That is actually I'm not able to explain all this, but that was very nice. That is very nice. Sir.
Okay, so Parmeshwar Rao, we have only 1 minute left in this session.
Yes,
So
I would like to ask.
Yeah.
Yes, tell me certain. Yes, yes.
No,
Ask me, sir. Yes.
yeah, ask.
Yeah, tell me about your state, sir. Tell me about state. What are the festivals to be celebrated in a university.
Okay,
Like I
in
would
my
like to know
state,
about
in my state,
Gujarat also.
Navratri is the most popular festival, and which we celebrate for 9 days.
Yes,
And Diwali is also popular, and Makar Sankranti. We say it is Uttarayan.
yes,
In my state, it is known as Uttarayan, and we fly kites for 2 days. So we have 2 days holidays in our school also, and we enjoy a lot.
yes,
So these are the most most popular festivals: Navratri, Diwali, and Uttarayan, Makar Sankranti.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Very nice, sir.
So,
Uh,
Bhupeshwar, thank you
can
very
we?
much for joining us. And we had a nice conversation with Rajkumar and Parmeshwar. So, I have got new friends from one from Kolkata and one from Andhra Pradesh. So, thank you very much for
Yes,
joining me. And have a nice day. See you tomorrow, same time. Okay. And
Thank you,
Surya
sir.
thank you,
also.
Have
sir.
a
Thank you
nice.
very much.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Have a
Yes,
nice
sir.
day. You too.